We are looking at how to pronounce this word, of Latin origin, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as pergola, with a stress on the first syllable, pergola, pergola. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as pergola, with an emphasis, a stress on the second syllable, the go syllable, pergola, pergola in American English versus pergola in British English. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.